There's usually two sizes of PC fans, really, the most common ones, 120 and 140 millimeters. So these front fans in there are 340 millimeter fans, but we're gonna swap them out with these fans in here because they're much better in terms of airflow and quieter as well. Now you actually need a screwdriver. So I will just undo these screws on the top there. It's best to do that when you've got the other parts of the PC still loose and you don't have anything else inside the PC case, so there's more space to do that. This takes a bit of time, but it's very simple. We'll just undo all of these screws, which will be sped up. Now, as you'll see, the bottom screws with these fan screws, we have to access from the other side. So you can either put your hand in through this side there, or I'll have to pop the whole case upwards, which is possible as well. We're going to take these beautiful fans out. So then literally the screws go back into the same holes. As you can see in there, they line up, make sure that they all go exactly in the same places, and then screw it back in. For these Noctua fans, make sure you take this paper out from around the fan. And in terms of the fan orientation, you might be saying, which way is it gonna go? Basically, we've got the front side of the fan. This is where the air goes in, and then the back side of the fan where the air comes out. There should be a little, yeah, there we go. These two arrows, they show that the fan moves that way and that the air moves this way. Three 140 millimeter fans now installed onto the front. Now I'm going to take the other one out from here as well. And hopefully that we can install on the back here. Yes, as you can see, it fits. Make sure that the fan is the right way here, because I've seen some people install this in a wrong way so that it takes air in from this side and pushes it inside the case. But the point is that these fans in there are pushing the air in, and then this fan in the back here is going to push the air out of the case.